And welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Meant to Be and Cute as Can Be projects. This is actually called the Cute as Can Be paper that I'm using in this, and I chose that as my title as well. Now this is decorated with Cricut cuts, so there's no stamping required on here, but you will have to assemble your cute little bees. So in my guide, I have the guide, and also on the back side, I have what the layout was that I used before I glued my photos down. So in case you don't want to reinvent the wheel, you can copy this. So that's in the guide. So I, well, it's fairly simple actually. I've got some white cardstock on top of pool party cardstock. But before you attach the white to the pool party, you're going to want to attach all of your hexagons, because once you're done attaching the hexagons, it looks best if they go off the paper a little. So like this one goes off the paper. Technically these two go off the paper, but they just look like they ended right on there. So you might want to shift yours up or shift yours down a little bit so that they go off the page. And technically I wanted to put one more over here, but I didn't. So the idea is you put them all on the white cardstock and then you cut along the edge, and that just helps you snip off those before you attach it to the pool party paper. And then, so we put all of the hexagons out, and then it's deciding where your photo mounts go. So I'm not necessarily very good at that. So what I actually intended to do was have this photo mount down a little bit so that this bee was over on top of the photo. So be careful if you get too excited about gluing down your title when you intended for it to be sitting on top of the photo. So there is that. And then the cute little bees. So the little bees come in three pieces. The little bee, the outline of the black bee, and then there's a little hourglass body for the yellow, and then a little, I don't know, bungee cord for the wings. So what you want to do is turn it over so that you're working on the back side. Glue on the yellow bee body first, and then you can glue the little wings on. If you glue the little wings on first, you're going to see a little pool party spacer just above where his neck goes, and that will make you sad. Other than that, I did pop one of the photos just to emphasize something. Of course, I wanted to pop the little bees, but their little antenna need to be glued down or they'll get snagged on things. And so I just felt it was better to glue the whole bees down. So that does make them all flat, but it's nice to have all flat on your layouts. So that's not a terrible thing. But anyway, I just thought this was so cute. And you could also, I didn't do it because I didn't want to ruin it just in case. You could have some of those little curly cue bees just like on the Meant to Be layouts, have some cute little trails on your bee bottoms. And that would be really cute. But thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.